Hi, dear ladies. Welcome back to the fashion and style journey. So, in my today's video, dear ladies and girls, you are going to find out different and amazing styles of skirt dresses for ladies and girls. So, in this video, you are going to find out more than 100 plus design ideas of different styles and different types of skirts. So, you are going to exploring long maxi style skirts, midi skirts, A-line style skirts, high-waisted skirts, different and amazing techniques. You will also get the ideas how to style your skirt outfit for your different wears, for your casual to formal wears. You are going to exploring all over print styles, skirts. You are going to exploring plain fabric, A-line style with amazing and stylish top shirts and blouses designs. So if you are looking for latest collection, latest design ideas of different styles and different types of skirts outfit, so these are the best and latest collection, latest design ideas of skirts today I have collected for you in this video, so that you will get the new ideas and new designs of skirts outfit. You will get the ideas how to style your skirts, how to carry your skirt outfit for your daily wears, for your casual wear, for your formal wears. Even you will carry these styles of skirts for your party wears. Young girls who love to wear skirts outfit. So these are the best and latest collection for young girls. Different and amazing top shirts and blouses designs and different skirts outfit. You will carry your skirts with shirts, with top, with blouse. So different and amazing styles and amazing collection. Bold colors, bright colors, easy and comfortable dresses. You will also get the ideas to suitable accessories for your skirt outfit, for your styling tips. So watch video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of skirts outfit. Maxi skirts, A-line style skirts, free styles, belted styles, high-waisted skirts, layer style skirts, thin skirts. So a lot of new ideas and new designs of skirts outfit with in chiffon fabric, cotton fabric, silk fabric, georgette fabric skirts outfit. So you will carry these styles of skirts outfit even for your summer seasons. So if you want to carry your skirt outfit in summer season, you should go for your chiffon fabric or cotton fabric or silk fabric skirts. You will carry the suitable accessories. So you will carry these styles of skirts with short tops, with shirts, with tunic tops, different and amazing ideas and amazing styles. Dear ladies, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section about my videos, about my content, about my channel. Tell me in the comment section which type of more videos you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful and helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so please don't forget to share your opinions in the comment section. I will be very thankful to you if you are sharing your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content, and give me a suggestions about my content, about my channel. So as you can see, different and unique styles of skirts outfit for your different wears, for your casual to formal wears, even for your party wears. You will get the ideas of suitable top shirts, blouses, designs. You will get to find out suitable accessories for your skirt outfit. So I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses and skirts outfit on my channel. So exploring the more amazing ideas and for more collection for more designs, visit on my channel and watch the other videos. You will get the ideas how to style your skirt outfit. You will find how to maxi skirts outfit, frocks ideas, skater dresses, midi dresses for your summer seasons, for your spring seasons, autumn, winter seasons. So a lot of new ideas and new designs of latest and trending fashion ideas. You are going to exploring on my channel. So visit on my channel and watch other videos of dresses. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get those ideas very useful and helpful for yourselves. You must enjoy those videos, so once visit on my channel and watch the other videos and enjoy the latest ideas, latest collection of dresses and latest fashion trends. So must watch video till the end. Beautiful collection, beautiful design ideas of skirts outfit are coming up next in this video. I hope so you will enjoy this video. You will love these styles. You will love these designs of skirts outfits. So if you are loving these designs and if you are loving these styles, so please do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, with your loved one, so that the new people get the new ideas and new designs. Do like my video and do subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Because of getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So must do subscribe channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. So thank you so much, dear ladies and girls, for watching my video. Keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs. Do like my video, do share my video with your friends, with your relatives. And don't forget to share your kind opinions in the comment section. So goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. Till then, take good care of yourselves, dear ladies. Goodbye. Enjoy the video till the end.